Thanks, Sammy. Good evening, everybody. Well, love it or hate it, there has been a definite X factor to the weather for the week just past. Today we had 33 degrees, so that plus the 6 of last week, well, that makes it a record. 7 straight days where we've seen 30 degrees or above. But as we move into our week ahead, there's a change coming. Yes, we'll have some heat on Monday, but generally low 20s look quite widely for our week ahead. And there will be some showers, longer spells of rain and a fresher feel as well. And the reason being, well, last week we had the jet stream to the north and we tapped into some heat across the near continent, but the jet stream is starting now to slip its way steadily southwards. This ribbon of fast moving air high up in the atmosphere can drive in areas of low pressure off the Atlantic, and that is likely to be the story. So today, yes, we've had heat and humidity, but we've also had threatening looking skies, storms at times. In fact, there have been over 12,000 lightning strikes recorded in the last 12 hours, the most frequent, most widespread across Lincolnshire and North East England. They are starting to ease away and will continue to do so. And then overnight tonight, we still keep some heat across England and Wales, temperatures widely into the mid-teens once again. A little bit fresher in the far northwest of Scotland. That weather front is slowly meandering its way steadily south. And it's this front that will bring the change. So some showery rain moving its way across northern England and North Wales. If we draw a line from Lincolnshire down into Cardiff, anywhere south and east of that, still seeing some sunshine and some heat with 27 degrees, 80 Fahrenheit, still quite possible. But here's the front, and it will gradually push its way steadily south and east. It's going to introduce more of a northerly component, so the bluer colours start to push down and it will turn noticeably fresher. So as we go into Tuesday, we'll see some rain. I don't know about you, but welcome rain for my garden as it pushes its way southeast. Behind it, quite a fresher feel, a clearer sky, some sunshine, but temperatures here around 13 to 15 degrees, 22 the high on Tuesday. But take a look at this. As we go through Tuesday evening, the skies will clear and temperatures fall away, and actually we'll see paler greens, maybe even a shade of blue in Scotland, which means that low single figures not out of the question first thing on Wednesday, maybe even a touch of frost in sheltered rural glens of Scotland. But high pressure will build and quieten things down to begin with on Wednesday, but the wind direction coming from a northeasterly. So although there will be some dry weather, it could just drive in some cloud and some drizzle on North Sea coast, and it will feel cooler here in exposed coast. Highest values on Wednesday afternoon of 21 degrees. More rain to come with that frontal system pushing in from the Atlantic on Thursday as the jet stream sinks its way south. That'll bring some wet weather, perhaps not quite towards the southeast corner, but behind it we're looking at highs once again of around 13 to 23 Celsius. Now, as we look a little bit further ahead, there is an area of low pressure, but there's a lot of uncertainty to the position of this low as we move later into the week and how far north that rain is potentially going to go. But you can see the general gist of the story. It's likely to stay cooler and unsettled, not only through the week, but also as we head into next weekend. That's it. Take care.